What if I told you there's a tiny stock trading for pennies that's quietly winning US military-related contracts, while most investors stay focused on giant AI companies and billion-dollar tech stocks dominating the market today? Not Nvidia, not Palantir, and not one of the massive AI companies everybody already knows about, because this company is still completely under the radar for most retail investors right now. This tiny company operates in artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, military technology, and electronic warfare, which instantly makes the story sound interesting for speculative traders searching for hidden opportunities online. And the craziest part is this company recently announced major government contracts while also eliminating all of its remaining debt completely. Today we're breaking down this hidden AI defense penny stock, the bull case, the risks, and why traders suddenly started paying attention to it after several important developments were announced publicly over the last few months. But later in this video, I'm going to reveal the actual stock name, because once you see what sectors they operate, and the story becomes much more interesting very quickly. So stay till the end, because this tiny company might become one of the biggest sleeper AI defense plays currently hiding inside the market, while most investors still haven't discovered it yet. And if this stock suddenly gains momentum online, the moves could become extremely aggressive, because microcap stocks can explode very quickly once enough attention enters the market. Right now, Wall Street is throwing billions into anything connected to artificial intelligence, because AI has become one of the hottest investment trends, attracting both retail and institutional money aggressively into the market. But there's another industry quietly exploding in the background, and most retail investors still haven't realized how massive this opportunity could become over the next several years globally. That industry is defense technology, where governments worldwide are spending billions upgrading cybersecurity, AI warfare, military intelligence, and advanced digital defense infrastructure systems for future national security operations. Modern wars are no longer fought only with tanks, missiles, and fighter jets, because cyber attacks, AI surveillance, autonomous systems, and electronic warfare are becoming increasingly important globally. Historically, when tiny companies enter major trends early, their stocks can move aggressively once investors suddenly discover them, and attention starts flooding into the market from traders searching for explosive opportunities online. We've already seen unknown companies suddenly explode after retail traders realized they were connected to booming industries, attracting billions of dollars in investment money and speculative hype online. And that's exactly why some traders recently started paying attention to this hidden microcap stock, because it checks several of the hottest sectors currently attracting investor interest today. But before investors became bullish on the company, there was one major issue keeping many traders away from the stock previously. That issue was debt, because debt can destroy penny stocks, especially when small companies struggle financially and start diluting shareholders by issuing more shares into the market to survive difficult periods. And that's one of the biggest fears investors always have whenever they research speculative microcap companies trading below $1, because volatility and uncertainty become much higher at those levels. But recently, this company announced something that completely changed the narrative surrounding the stock and shocked many investors who previously ignored the company because of financial concerns. The company reportedly paid off all remaining debt, which suddenly shifted the conversation from whether the company could survive financially to whether it could actually begin growing aggressively. One of the biggest reasons investors notice this company is because of its growing government contract pipeline and military-related business connections, involving cybersecurity engineering systems and defense support operations connected to federal agencies. The company reportedly secured contracts related to the U.S. Navy missile defense, cybersecurity, and military support services, which immediately caught the attention of speculative traders searching for hidden defense plays in the market. And for a tiny company, contracts worth tens of millions of dollars can completely change investor expectations, because even small improvements in growth can dramatically impact a microcap stock's future valuation. Whenever traders hear the words government contracts, they instantly become interested, because those deals can create recurring revenue streams lasting for years. The company we're talking about today is Castellum, Inc., ticker symbol CTM, and recently the stock has started appearing more frequently in discussions among speculative retail investors watching AI defense-related companies online closely. Before you dismiss it as just another random penny stock, you need to understand why traders are suddenly getting excited about the company's future potential and business sectors. Castellum operates directly inside cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, military systems, and electronic warfare technologies, which creates an Attractive narrative for traders searching for hidden AI opportunities in the market. And because CTM is still extremely small compared to major defense contractors, the upside speculation becomes much bigger once momentum enters the stock. One reason bulls are excited is because the market absolutely loves AI-related stories and investors continue chasing anything connected to artificial intelligence regardless of whether the company is large or still unknown. CTM has exposure to AI, cybersecurity, defense systems, machine learning, and military technology all at the same time, which instantly creates a powerful speculative narrative attracting momentum traders into the stock. Another reason investors are paying attention is the company's improving financial trends because revenue growth reportedly improved while operational performance started looking stronger compared to previous periods recently. And when improving fundamentals combine with hot sectors like AI and cybersecurity, speculative investors immediately start wondering whether the company could eventually experience a major breakout move. One of the biggest reasons traders love penny stocks is because small market caps can move explosively once enough. Buying pressure suddenly enters the stock from retail investors chasing fast percentage gains online. If CTM suddenly gains strong social media attention and trading volume increases aggressively, the stock price volatility could become extremely explosive within a short period of time very quickly. We've already seen tiny overlooked companies suddenly go viral and explode after enough traders discovered the story online, creating massive hype and aggressive buying activity across social media platforms. And because CTM combines AI, cybersecurity, military technology, and government contracts together, the story sounds almost perfectly designed for speculative momentum-driven trading activity. But despite all the excitement, investors still need to understand the risks before getting involved with speculative penny stocks because the downside can become just as aggressive as the upside during weak momentum periods. Penny stocks are highly volatile, which means they can rise extremely quickly but also crash very fast once momentum disappears or investor sentiment suddenly changes in the market. Another major concern is profitability because the company still needs to prove it can become consistently profitable and sustainable long-term instead of relying mostly on future expectations. There's also dilution risk because many microcap companies eventually raise additional capital by issuing more shares, which can pressure stock prices lower over time. So the big question now is whether CTM could actually become a breakout hidden AI defense stock or whether the excitement surrounding the company is moving too far ahead of reality and actual business performance. On one side, the company has defense contracts, cybersecurity exposure, a momentum improving financial trends, and a tiny market cap supporting the bullish argument currently attracting speculative investors online. But on the other side, investors still face volatility, execution risks, profitability concerns, and possible future dilution, which means this remains a high-risk, high-reward speculative investment opportunity today. And as long as AI and defense remain hot sectors, stocks connected to those industries will continue attracting investor attention, which is exactly why CTM has landed on many retail traders' watch lists recently. Now I want to hear your opinion because this stock is becoming a very interesting discussion among speculative investors and penny stock traders online searching aggressively for hidden AI-related opportunities under $1. Do you think CTM could become a breakout hidden a defense stock in the future, or is the hype moving too far ahead of reality and actual business performance right now in the market? And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe because I'm constantly searching for hidden penny stocks before the crowd discovers them, and the next stock I'm researching might be even crazier than this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.